In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees to Jobber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details to enter so your team can log in, appear on the schedule, and start getting assigned to work right away. Start by opening Jobber in your web browser and signing into your account with admin access. Once you're on the dashboard, look for Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see a gear icon or a settings link in the navigation. Go ahead and click that to open your account and company configuration area. If you don't see it immediately, expand your main menu. Settings is always available from the home screen when you have the right permissions. Inside Settings, find and select Manage Team. This is the hub for all users on your account. You'll see your current team members, their roles, and their invitation status. This is helpful for quickly checking who's active and who still needs to accept an invite before they can sign in. Next, click Add User. That opens a form where you'll create the new team member's profile. This is where a bit of attention to detail really helps. Enter their first and last name exactly as you want it to appear on schedules and reports. Add the email address they'll use to log in. Double check for typos here since the invitation will be sent to this address. You can include a phone number if you want it available on jobs or for quick contact, but it's optional. Now set their role and permissions. Choose the access level that matches their responsibilities. For example, field staff typically need limited access, focused on viewing and completing their assigned jobs, while office or admin roles may require broader access to clients, quotes, invoices, and reports. If you see options to control whether they can view pricing or company-wide schedules, pick the most conservative setting that still lets them do their work. This is a good best practice for privacy and security. Some accounts also let you set scheduling preferences, like a calendar color or default workdays, which makes it easier to spot this person on the schedule at a glance. If there's a checkbox to send an invitation email, leave it on if you want them to join immediately. If the timing isn't right, you can add them now and send the invite later from the Manage Team page. When everything looks good, save the new user. You'll return to Manage Team and see them listed. If you sent an invite, their status will show as pending until they accept. If the invite doesn't arrive, ask them to check spam, then resend it from their profile. That's it. You've added an employee to Jobber, and they're ready to get to work.